Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Manish Malhotra and MyGlamm collaboration eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Soireè, and also I will be creating a look for Valentine's Day and reviewing this palette at the same time. So let's begin. To begin with, let's start with the packaging. This product comes in a black and rose gold packaging and the cardboard box looks like this. I'm just gonna open it. And here comes the luxury. I am totally in love with this color combination, black and rose gold, and this packaging looks extremely luxurious to me. And when you open it, here are the shades. These are really pretty and beautiful shades. I haven't used them yet because I wanted to give my first impression on the product. I really liked this shade. This can be used for highlighting. This is again a golden and this is again a copper. But now when I look at the shades, I feel there are too much of golden. I feel there should be more of red tones because these days reds and burgundies are so much in. I wish they had added one more color instead of these two in reds or purples, and that's completely my choice. I don't know if some of you might find the palette absolutely complete, but I am more into, like, if I'm purchasing something which is worth rupees 1850, then I would want it to be a complete palette. I would want it to have different and variety of shades that can suit my mood and everything. I tell you how I came to know about this palette. So I saw Malvika Sitlani. I know most of you must know who is Malvika Sitlani, the Malvika Sitlani. So I happened to see one of her videos where she was using this palette. She was using a different one, not the Soireè one. I don't exactly remember that name. When I saw her using the palette, I actually felt it was so pigmented that I was like, I want to get my hands on these and I would want to review it. Plus it was Manish Malhotra. So yes, he's one of my favorite designers as well. So I was really excited. I did not exactly purchase this one. This was something that I redeemed from the points. So MyGlamm has this community where if your friend purchases, then you get points, or if you purchase, you get some cashback points kind of thing. So all of that was collected. It was around 2000 points. So I thought, why not go ahead and purchase this one and review it for you guys. So this has a mirror as well, which is a plus point. Also, they haven't given name of the shades, which I think they should have given because they are such beautiful shades, and giving names to these shades would have been really cool. Let's start with the look. I'm going to use this shade and apply it all over my eyelid to create a nice base. I'm going to take it up to my crease. My god, these shades are really pigmented. I did not swatch. So I'll just take this from here. Oh my god. Am I sounding like Janice from Friends? I'm sorry to show you my... But this is supremely pigmented, guys. Amazing. Next, I'm going to take the same shade and apply it on my lower lash line. I am really impressed with the pigment. I hope the other colors are pigmented as well. Since it's Valentine, so I would like to go with more pinks and pink glitters. I'm going to take this shade. This is a peach shade from the palette. And I'm going to take it on my fluffy brush and apply it all over my crease line. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. So pigmented. This eyeshadow is pigment gold, I think. I have never had any eyeshadow that is so pigmented. This reminds me of my 9 Times Burgundy palette by MAC. I don't think so. That is also this much pigmented. I'm giving a really bold statement by saying that MAC is not that pigmented as compared to this palette. I think I should do a video, a separate video, comparing both of these palettes, 9 Times Burgundy palette by MAC and this Manish Malhotra palette. Let me know if you're interested. So I'm going to put it all over my crease and blend it properly. Blend, blend, blend till the eternity. And again, I'm going to take the same shade and just put it on my lower lash line to get a nice diffused look. Next, I will be taking this mauve shade. Wow, I'm in love with this palette. Only if they had just added one more different shade, more of reddish and warm, I would have been like... I'll be taking this shade and just put it on the corners of my eyes to add some depth. With same brush, I will be taking this on my lower lash line, just concentrating on the corners of my lower lash line. I know this palette is a little on the expensive side, but I think it is worth because of the pigmentation. Also, this will suit all skin tone types. I really like the way the eyeshadows are blending. Means not so creamy, not so powdery. They are just blending in perfectly. Next, I'll be taking this pink shimmery eyeshadow and really nice pigmentation again. The glitters are also having good pigmentation. So I will just put it on the... It is beautiful. I'll just put it on the inner halves of my eyelids. Also, the intensity develops with the second application. I'll take the same shade and apply it on the inner half of my lower lash line to have a really open and bright eye. The eyeshadow applies in one stroke. Just gonna intensify the corners a bit so that my eyes pop up. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend everything so that my eye makeup looks smooth and blended. Now I'm going to take the gel eyeliner by Maybelline and put it just again on the corners of my eyes. A half wing I would do. And then I would be smudging it so that I get a nice smoky effect. Like this. I feel like putting lenses. Okay, I might not put it in the rightest manner. All watery. My makeup is going to be ruined. I'm so stupid now. I better retouch my makeup now. And now I'm gonna use this shade from the palette to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Perfect. I'm really happy the way the eye look has turned out. I haven't done this kind of a look ever, so I am more happy. Now time to put some mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics what is the name? Lash Mop Limitless Mascara by Sugar Cosmetics. You can even add kajal on your waterline or white kajal on your waterline as per your preference. I don't feel like adding anything right now because I love it the way it is looking. I think I forgot to tell you that I was already done with my base makeup before I started with the video. So I used Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutraliser and Europe Girl Foundation, and then I set it all with a loose powder. I'll give the details in the description bar below, so don't forget to check it out. Alright, I am done with my eyelashes. Now I'll go ahead and do the contouring. And for my contouring, I'm using the Glam Bronze by the Loreal Cosmetics. I'm just going to sculpt my face right now. I'll just contour my jawline as well. And next I'm gonna apply blush. For blush, I am using the Lakme Absolute Blush. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter in the shade Northern Lights. This has become my favorite highlighter these days. So I'm just gonna highlight the high points of my face. And now for the lipstick. I found the lips a bit too light, so I'm gonna add this Driver's Seat by Smashbox India. Yeah, now it is looking good. Just gonna add some earrings now. So guys, this is the finished and a complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. My overall view about this palette is this is an extremely luxurious looking palette. I love the packaging, I love the pigmentation, I love how it blends. Only I just feel that there should have been a little more red tone color or a rusty color in this palette so that it would have been a complete palette for me. It is on the pricier side, but it is worth your money. So if you have any glam points, make sure that you redeem for this palette. This is a must-have palette for every girl, and there are 2 shades in this. So if you don't like this Soireè one, there is another one which I don't exactly remember the name, but I'm going to leave the name and the link of the palette in the description bar below, so check it out. So yeah guys, that was for the review, and this is the whole look that I have come up with using the Manish Malhotra and MyGlamm palette. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you will recreate it. It is not necessary that you should have the Manish Malhotra palette to recreate this look. If you have these colors, then go ahead and create and celebrate the Valentine's Day. I hope this Valentine's Day should be the most romantic of all Valentine's Day up till now. I hope you have fun, and also I would love to know in the comment box below about your plans on Valentine's Day. As far as I'm concerned, I will be at home and watching Netflix, and that's it. If you like this look, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.